Today on the Printosaurus, we're printing a Lego Christmas wreath. Jumping right in, we're selecting our green PETG that we're using today. We're going to scale this up to 142%. That gives us an 8-inch leaf and a 24-inch wreath. We're going to print 8 leaves. So now we're scaling our flower and our berry. We're going to print those at 138% and 140% for the different size leaves that we end up printing, which is 140 and 142%. And you'll want 4 of each of those. So now we're rotating our leaves on our bed. You can print 2 to the Bambulab X1-Carbon, P1P, P1PS. It's all the same bed size. You can fit 2 at that 140, 142%. Pretty standard settings. We changed absolute nothing. We went with all default settings here. So we're slicing. These take about 2.5 hours to print, and they are off to the printer. So our leaves are finishing up, and then now we are on to our flower and our berry. If you right click on one of those objects, you can scroll down to change filament. And if you have multiple colors loaded, you can select them there. So what we did was we changed our flower to white. And then we're just going to run through here and make sure we've got all of our settings the same, which we do. And then when we slice this, you're going to notice that it's showing 4 hours and 16 minutes. That's a significant amount of time for 2 objects. So I'm going to show you a little trick here. So if you right click, you see that change filament down at the bottom. If you hit the gear icon on your bed, you can change your print sequence to print by object. And what this allows you to do is, if your object is small enough, you can print multiple objects on your print surface, and you can print them in a single color without any filament changes. Now on to the fun stuff, the assembly. So we labeled these. We have 1s and 2s. Our 2s are going to be our bases. So we're going to lay those out, and then we're going to snap our number 1s right on top. Now you can run these in any direction you want. I ended up having one in the opposite direction here, so I swapped that, which you'll see here in a second. I prefer to have them all run in the same direction. And then we're going to grab our bow. That snaps right in. And then our berries, they go on the top layer. Our golds also go on our top layer. Our pinks go on our bottom layer. And last, our whites, they also go on the top layer. And that's it. I appreciate it if you guys would like, subscribe. If you have any comments, want to see me print anything, please let me know. Take care.